Hello guys, good morning guys. Kain tayo guys. Ito guys oh. Ito yung ulan namin guys. Hindi kasi makalaot guys, may bagyo eh. Maka. Kaya makasama ko guys, pagkain guys. Anta! Sige guys, ito na lang guys. Bye.